And so that green one's Brooks's car.
Yeah.
Yep, from
Yeah, she has a little.
right. And then we've got a P1 that was sent away to what country?
This one was actually the one that was sent to the UK.
Right.
This one used to be, if I remember correctly, was black, silver, and a little bit of orange.
I'm gonna walk over here.
Wow, that's maybe.
So here's the back. So you can see the radiators there. And so how much do you think he spent?
I have no clue. I'm not even trying to guess. I know he got it sent out for this. And I forget the company that did it. Yeah.
But what we've determined is it's still not a mechanical diff car. It's still an e-diff, so you didn't go all the way. But
Yeah.
Alex is not here today?
No, actually, it's
and then there's Brooks's 765. You guys are familiar with that car. Drag times.